If your JVC TV won't turn on and there's no red standby light, don't panic. This usually happens because of a minor software glitch or a stuck power state inside the TV. The methods in this video will help you reset your JVC TV even if the screen is completely black and the standby light is gone. Now let's walk through the methods, starting from the simplest and moving to deeper resets. Start by doing a basic power reset. Unplug your JVC TV from the wall outlet and wait a full 60 seconds. Don't rush. This is not the same as turning the TV off with the remote. Once the minute is up, plug it back in and try powering it on. If the screen still doesn't return, move on. Next method, unplug the TV again. Then press and hold the physical power button on the TV, not the remote, for 30 seconds. This drains all remaining electricity from the capacitors and forces a deeper reset. After 30 seconds, plug the TV back in and try turning it on. If there is no physical TV power button, unplug the TV for 30 minutes and then plug it back in. If still no response, try the next method. Here's what to do. First, take your TV remote, remove the batteries from the back, press, and hold the power button at the top of the remote for 30 seconds straight. Once done, insert the batteries again, but it's best to replace them with new fresh batteries in case the old ones were weak. Now try turning on your JVC TV again. With that out of the way, let's continue with the remaining resets. A bad HDMI device can prevent your TV from powering up or showing picture. Unplug everything attached to your TV. HDMI devices, gaming consoles, streaming sticks, Blu-ray players, cable boxes. Leave only the power cord connected. Turn the TV on and check if the red light comes back. If the TV works, plug devices back in one at a time to find which one caused the issue. Also, try switching to a different HDMI input. Sometimes the TV gets stuck on an inactive source. If your JVC TV is still unresponsive, try forcing a reboot. Press and hold the power button and the volume down button on the remote at the same time for a few seconds. Many JVC models will detect this combo and force a system restart, which can bring the TV back to life. If this video helped, hit like and subscribe for more TV troubleshooting guides.